This is going to be a product review of the Bob and Brad massage gun. This is used for deep tissue massage. It has a percussion type style. It comes with 5 heads. It has 5 speeds. You can charge this with a 2 amp AC adapter, a power bank. It comes with the USB charging cable. As I said, it has 5 different heads, weighs about 1.5 pounds. The batteries come from Tesla. Yes, the battery is supplied from Tesla. This is a top quality massage gun and it is quiet. I'm going to show you how this works right now. Honestly, I use this thing every day. My neck is always tight, my shoulders are tight. I use this on my feet, I use it on my calves after I ride my bike or the exercise bike. Constantly on the shoulders and the neck. I play the guitar a lot. I use this for carpal tunnel, for tight hands to keep the fingers loose. Let me show you how this works. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description. You definitely want to click on that and buy one of these. All of us have tight legs, tight muscles, tight back, tight shoulders, tight hamstrings. This is what you want to help you feel better. These are the 5 different heads. I'm not really sure why you would use them in different locations. I just know that I use all of these and they feel so good. They really do. This is the one that I use a lot. This one is great for trigger point massage. All you need to do, take the gun, hold it in your hand, take the head, slide it in all the way. You see it slide in, and then, down on the bottom over here, this is where you will plug in your USB charging cable. This is the button over here. You're going to hear the power of this thing now. Absolutely incredible. Hold it down. Light comes on. That's on the low speed. Yes, this is perfect even if you're elderly. When you go up to the top speed, I like the top speed. It vibrates the heck out of me and it just feels wonderful. When I'm using this, I want a deep, intense massage, so I go way up to the top. If you're elderly or you're sensitive, it comes with the lower speed. You can see what it's doing over here. Nice, gentle massage. Let me move that up to the 2nd speed. It is really quiet. It's not uncomfortable. You could use this with somebody sleeping next to you and they would not notice it. Notice the action over there. Very quiet, pulsating, percussion type massage. 3rd speed, look at that thing go. So if it feels uncomfortable, just lower it down to a speed that is acceptable for you. For me, this is the best. I just love this. You can see what it's doing to the hand right now. See how it's moving the muscles around? So even though I have it in one area, it's loosening everything around there. Now, this is the ball head. I'm going to put on all 5 of the heads so you can see what they do, what they look like, how they work. This is the trigger point head. I love this thing. I think it's called the trigger point head. That's what I call it. Hold the button down. Now this is on the low speed, but I get really tight muscles in the thighs and the calves, and I think for the average person, this low speed would be more than enough. But for me, I need to go all the way up to the top speed. And so let's go do that again. 3, 4, 5. Oh, yes. Yeah, I'm smiling. I love this. It's just so relaxing. When I get tight knees, put it over by the knees. Be gentle where you're going, though. But this is wonderful. I believe it has a 10-minute timer, so it will shut off after 10 minutes. I'm constantly turning this thing back on because it feels good. I could just sit here all day and talk to you and use this thing. Now I'm getting right on the side of the leg where the muscles are really thick, and this goes all the way up and down the leg, the hip, the piriformis muscle, the thighs. Let me show you the 3rd head. I will tell you, as I was switching this, I am just so relaxed right now. All the blood's flowing through the leg. It's so calming, it's so soothing. Let's press the button. We'll put this on the power. We'll put this on number 3. This is definitely a trigger point head. I can feel that right on the muscle, on the bone, and I want it all the way up to the 5th setting. This is absolutely amazing. I'll show you what it looks like on the hand right now. You can see the hand is It's more intense, it's not vibrating as much, but it's all over the place. It feels absolutely wonderful. And let me go for the other two heads. This head is a little bit flatter, and it will cover more of an area without having so much intensity going into the trigger point style. This is perfect. Look at what this is doing to the arm. So I can put it in one area, but you can see the tissue. It's all moving around, so you're getting blood flow, you're getting the muscles to relax. Absolutely wonderful. I can tell you, after I do this, lay down on the bed and I drift off to sleep almost every time because it's just so relaxing and soothing. And let me show you the fifth head. In case I didn't show you before, to turn it off, you just press the button and it turns off. Finally, this is the widest head. You have a little bit more cushion over here, a little bit more spring. And this would probably be perfect for bigger muscles. Let's put it on the hand. I'm on the first setting. So you can see how it has a good impact, but it's not as intense. It's not moving the muscles around as much, but it covers a much wider area. Now let's go to the one that I like. See what it does to the arm? So if you're doing that on your thigh, if you're doing that on your shoulders, you're going to get a nice rolling percussion type massage. It's a great product made by Bob and Brad. Click on the affiliate link in the video description. Purchase this today. You will be very happy. This is a great quality machine. It does not weigh that much. It is very quiet. USB-C type charging comes with the cable. Just plug it into your AC adapter or your cell phone charger and relax those muscles today.